Today's topic is chloroplast pigments. The chloroplast consists of numerous pigments which form 5 to 8% of total dry weight of chloroplast. These pigments are categorized into chlorophylls, carotenoids and phycobilins. Chlorophyll, it is mainly of two types, chlorophyll A and B, which is associated with pigment system 1. Carotenoids, they consist of carotenes and xanthophylls, and phycobilins, they are present in cyanobacteria and red algae only. Let us see the structure. Chlorophyll consists of a porphyrin head and a pyrrole tail. This is the structure of one molecule of chlorophyll, which consists of a head and a tail. This is the structure of chlorophyll A. देखो chlorophyll A और B के structure में क्या फर्क है? The rest of the structure is similar. At this point, in chlorophyll A, CH3 methyl group is present, and in chlorophyll B, इस CH3 की जगह क्या present है? This CHO, that is the this group CHO is present. Now, chlorophyll is of following types, 7 types: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, D, E, bacteriophil and bacterioverdin. Chlorophyll A and B, they are found in the chloroplast of higher plants, whereas chlorophyll C, D and E, they are found in algae. Bacteriophil and bacterioverdin, they are found in photosynthetic bacteria. Carotenoid pigments, they are the derivative of lipid compounds, that is lycopene, and they are further of two types, carotenes and xanthophyll. Carotenes, they are the red colored pigments, and xanthophyll, they are yellow in color. And carotenoids, they are accessory pigments. They protect the chlorophyll molecule from photooxidation. What is their function? They absorb light energy and then transfer it to chlorophyll A. And the phycobilins, the third category of pigment, which are found only in blue-green alga and the red alga. These are soluble in water, and they are further of two types, phycocyanin, that is blue in color, and phycoerythrin, that is red in color. Now, these were the various type of pigments present in the plants. We have seen in the previous lecture that the process of photosynthesis is divided into the light reaction and the dark reaction. The reactions which occur in the presence of light, they were called light reactions, and the reactions which do not require sunlight directly, these are called the dark reactions. Now, the light reactions, or this is also known as the photochemical phase, and this photochemical phase, it includes light reactions. They include, first of all, absorption of light, and then the second step in it is splitting of water molecule, release of oxygen, and production of energy rich compounds like ATP and NADPH. So light reactions, they include following processes: absorption of sunlight, splitting of water, which is also known as photolysis of water, release of oxygen, and production of energy rich compounds, that is ATP and NADPH2. Now several complexes they are involved in the process. The pigments which absorb sunlight, they are divided into two complexes, two light harvesting complexes. These light harvesting complexes are photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. The light harvesting complexes yani pigments which are grouped in such a way that they will absorb solar energy. These light harvesting complexes, they are two types, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. है क्या एक्चुअली इन दोनों में कि देयर इज अ सेंट्रल मॉलिक्यूल विच इज कॉल्ड द रिएक्शन सेंटर. ये मेनली क्लोरोफिल ए और बी मॉलिक्यूल एंड विद इट आर एसोसिएटेड various other accessory pigments, carotenes, carotenoids, xanthophyll, they are associated. तो ये एक यूनिट बनाते हैं. These pigments they absorb sunlight as accessory pigments and ultimately this absorbed sunlight is given to the reaction center यानी कि main chlorophyll molecule को. Let us see the photosystem 1. The photosystem 1, it consists of a central molecule, the reaction center, which is P700. P700 का मतलब क्या है कि a chlorophyll molecule which absorbs the visible solar radiations of wavelength 700 nanometer. This is the reaction center with P700 यानी कि एक सेंट्रल मॉलिक्यूल है, कोर मॉलिक्यूल है, जो कि विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम की कौन सी सनलाइट को, कौन से पोर्शन को एब्जॉर्ब कर सकता है, जिसकी वेवलेंथ है 700 नैनोमीटर. एंड इसके साथ और क्या एसोसिएटेड है, देयर इज प्रेजेंट P700 प्लस देयर आर प्रेजेंट 200 to 400 chlorophyll molecules and there are present 50 carotenoids, that is the red pigment molecules, plus it consists of 2 iron containing proteins, and these iron containing proteins are called ferredoxin, or these are called iron sulfur proteins. Plus with this there are present many cytochromes. So photosystem 1, it consists of a core molecule P700, 200 to 400 molecules of these chlorophyll, 50 carotenoids, plus 2 iron proteins which are called iron sulfur protein, name is ferredoxin, and various cytochrome. तो ये एक क्या बनाएंगे, एक हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स जो कि सोलर एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे और all these molecules, and that solar energy is transferred to this reaction center, main complex molecule जो है उसको दे दी जाएगी. Whereas the photosystem 2 जो है वो भी ऐसा ही है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा इसमें डिफरेंट है. जो इसमें रिएक्शन सेंटर है इन फोटोसिस्टम 2, इट इज P680, मीन्स इट कैन एब्जॉर्ब सोलर एनर्जी ऑफ वेवलेंथ. कौन सा पोर्शन विजिबल लाइट का, जिसकी वेवलेंथ है 680 नैनोमीटर प्लस, एंड इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 50 carotenoids. There are present some phycobilins, photosystem 2 consists of a core molecule of P680 and 200 chlorophyll molecules, 50 carotenoids, some phycobilins are present, and there is present unknown electron acceptor quinone. There are present manganese ions and chloride ions, and there is present unknown water oxidizing enzyme. These they help to entrap the solar energy. photosystem 2 जिसमें core molecule क्या है P680, ऐसे ही सेंटर में, और इतने कितने हार्वेस्टिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ 200 क्लोरोफिल मॉलिक्यूल्स, 50 कैरोटिनॉइड्स, मैंगनीज आयन, क्लोराइड आयंस, quinone, unknown electron acceptor, and water oxidizing enzyme is present, which form the photosystem 2. These photosystem 2 and photosystem 1, they help in absorption of solar energy. तो ये जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट स्टेप था फोटोकेमिकल फेज का, लाइट रिएक्शन का, दैट इज लाइट एब्जॉर्प्शन. लाइट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय two light harvesting complexes, that is photosystem 1 and photosystem 2.